If you're a beginner and confused about Google Ads, don't worry. In the next 3 minutes, I'll explain Google Ads step by step. It will be simple, fast, and practical for beginners. Google Ads is one of the fastest ways to get traffic, leads, and sales online. This tutorial will help you understand how it works. You'll learn how to start the right way without wasting money. Let's break it down into easy steps. Google Ads is an online advertising platform where you pay to show your ads. Your ads can appear on Google search results, YouTube, and websites, apps. You only pay when someone clicks your ad. That's why Google Ads is powerful even for beginners. Here's how Google Ads works in simple steps. First, choose keywords people are searching for. Second, create an ad related to those keywords. Third, set a daily budget for your ads. Fourth, your ad appears when someone searches those keywords. Google shows ads based on relevance, not just money. So beginners can compete effectively too. As a beginner, focus on these Google Ads types. Search ads show on Google Search and are best for beginners. Display ads show on websites, and YouTube ads are video ads. Shopping ads are specifically for e-commerce businesses. Start with search ads to learn faster and more efficiently. If you're wondering how to start Google Ads, do this. Start with a low budget to minimize risk. Target only 1-3 keywords to stay focused. Write clear and compelling ads to attract clicks. Send traffic to a relevant landing page. Never send ads to random pages, match your ad to the offer. Avoid these common mistakes to save money. Don't use too many keywords at once. Always set up conversion tracking to measure success. Avoid setting a high budget on day one. Start simple, test your ads, and improve over time. That's your Google Ads tutorial for beginners in under 3 minutes. Like, subscribe, and comment if this helped.